Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can add and subtract multiple cells in Excel. So in our example here we have some data. We have our start number, a number we want to add to that number, subtract to that number, and then add again to that number. And we want the total here. Now this is pretty easy to do in Excel. You simply need to select the cell where you want to add and subtract multiple numbers together. Type equals to signify that we're starting a formula. I'll select my starting number, and then we're going to want to add this 82 in this column here. So we'll hit the plus sign on the keyboard and then select that cell. And then we're going to want to subtract 19, so we'll hit the minus key on the keyboard and select 19. And then we're going to want to add this cell here in D2. So here we are starting with 50, adding this, subtracting this, and then adding this number here in this cell. We'll go ahead and hit enter, and that's going to give us 144. And if we do some quick math, that's 144. Not that I actually just did that on my head. But now, instead of having to redo that math for each one of these cells, you can simply select that cell you created the formula, and down at the bottom right corner, you'll notice this green little square. Right now, my plus sign is showing white. If I hover over that, it will be black. I can click and drag that formula all the way down, and it's going to copy that all the way down my column. And there you have it. That's how you can add and subtract multiple cells in one cell in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.